will disclose with in front of the audience in English. There is one of my special guests. His name is Mazharul Islam. He has come from India state and he has connected with me from the Assam state, from in India. India. That means I would like to talk with him. Hello, dear. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Mazharul Islam. I am from Assam, India. I have come to visit Bangladesh. Couple of days back, I have come to Kurigram district and exploring with one of my uncle. And today I came to this school.
School name is Ikram Khana
It's Ramkhana
High School.
High School. And I meet with the teaching staff. They are very humble and honorable guys, and I'm so happy. I'm so glad to
Thank
meet
you,
with
thank
them.
you, thank you, dear Mazharul Islam. What is your suggestion to our students? How does a student develop his life?
Nothing critical, but in student life, we have to follow the guidance from our parents, from our teachers, the way they
Spectators,
they talk,
dear spectators, you learn that guidance, teachers,
yes.
and
Follow the elders.
follow the elders.
Very important.
And thus this way, the student can develop,
Can develop their
his
life.
life
Yes.
and their life.
And most importantly, every student should have aim in their life.
That means every student should have an fixed aim
Fixed aim.
in their life. Without fixing an aim,
Without
a
aim,
student,
An aimless man is like just like a ship without its radar.
just like a ship without a radar, an aimless person. Dear
That's why
spectators,
aim is very important thing in life. Yes.
that is why aim is very important and the most important and most important,
Most important
foremost.
thing.
One of the foremost important elements in life,
In life.
how to develop in life and how to progress or prosper in life, firstly have to fix the aim.
And secondly,
Secondly,
we have to work according to the aim.
that means, secondly, we have to work according to the aim.
Aim.
That means, if anyone wants to prosper in life,
Yes.
he firstly fall in love with his work,
With his work. Yes.
without loving any work,
Yes.
any work.
And one thing is important along with aim
Aim.
is loyal.
Loyal. That means,
Yes.
not only fixing aim, but also not doing in work.
Yes.
Besides this, it has to be loyal.
Yes.
Loyal. That means very concentrative.
Concentrate.
Very concentrative and very loyal. And does this help a person to progress in their life or in his life?
Yes. Yes.
Dear viewers,
Once Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, dream transfer into thought.
that means ex-president of India,
India.
Dr.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam said,
Dream transfer into thought.
dreams transfer into thought.
And thoughts result in action.
Thought results in action.
Yes. Only dream is nothing.
Only dream is
Yes.
nothing. That means this is the very, very important topic from the favorite person, Dr. APJ Abdul
One of the
Kalam,
greatest scientists.
one of the greatest scientists
He is
and
called the missile man of
ex-president.
India. Even
And
he is called the missile man of India.
And he is also called the missile
Man of India.
man of India. And he is the ex-president of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. Said that
Dreams
Dreams
transfer into thoughts and
dreams
thoughts result in
transfer
action.
into thoughts.
And thoughts result in
And
action.
thoughts result in action. That means
You have to
action,
transfer your thoughts into action.
and you have to transfer your thought into
Into action.
action. As a result, you can develop in your
Yes.
life. I am very happy and congratulations to you because you have lost your time and you have given me your time to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What is your opinion, my followers? That means those who are watching
Yes.
this video.
First of all, I would like to thank the viewers,
Yes.
and I suggest please do subscribe and also like, comment, share for this channel.
Dear spectator, thanks all.